Hey guys, my name is Brian, and if you haven't noticed, Santa Claus is coming to town. So we're gonna have a look at Christmas in Disneyland Paris. Let's go! Christmas, the time of snow, hot chocolate, Santa Claus, and of course a visit to the most magical place of Europe, Disneyland Paris. Mickey did his best to bring you in the Christmas spirit, so let's have a look at the merriest season of all. First of all, as most of you know, Disneyland Paris Resort has two theme parks, Disneyland Park and the Walt Disney Studios. We will note with each offering in which park it can be found. Christmas is mostly about entertainment, so let's have a look at all the offerings. The Disney's Christmas Parade is back. 2 times a day, this wonderful parade makes its route through Disneyland Park. Catchy music, wonderful floats, and a huge amount of Disney characters makes this parade a not to miss Christmas offering. Snow is falling during the parade on Main Street, but our tip is to see this parade in Fantasyland, as it is less crowded here than on Main Street. Note that the parade travels from It's a Small World to Town Square on the first performance of the day, and from Town Square to It's a Small World on the second performance of the day. It takes 25 minutes for the parade to reach the end of the route. Keep that in mind when you're standing at the end, that it takes a while before the parade reaches you. Take a live orchestra, live vocals and the best dancers, and of course Mickey and his friends. All mixed together, you get the best show offering at this moment in Disneyland Paris, Mickey's Christmas Big Band, located in the Animagique Theater in the Walt Disney Studios Park. This not to miss show is presented 5 times a day. Be advised that the show reaches capacity often, so be on time. We prefer to sit a bit in the back of the theater because the sound on the first 5 rows is not really good. Also note that Mickey and the Magician is not presented during the Christmas season. Do you love princesses or maybe some handsome princes? Then you're happy because the Royal Sparkling Winter Waltz is back. One of the main offerings of the 25th anniversary of Disneyland Paris returns on Castle Stage. 8 beautiful Disney couples dance on famous Disney music. Children will love to watch the royal dance during this 10-minute show. The show is offered multiple times during the day and it's worth to watch. Note that you don't need to arrive early. 5 to 10 minutes is just fine if you don't require the best view in the house. Want to sing some Christmas songs by yourself? Mickey and his friends are gonna make some music and they need your help during the performance of Let's Sing Christmas. Located in the Videopolis in Disneyland Park, this small show make a smile on your face. It's not a big show, but it's entertaining when you're eating your burger in the restaurant. Eating your burger, you think? Yes, the Videopolis Theater has 2 viewing areas. One is the normal theater viewing area and the other one is the restaurant. So during your dinner you can enjoy the show. If you are time limited, we suggest to skip the show because this is one of the more basic offerings in our opinion. Mickey is turning 91 this year and we need to celebrate. Only Mickey must not know that Minnie is organizing a party. Surprise Mickey! This amazing show is presented in front of the Tower of Terror in the Walt Disney Studios Park. Swinging music, dancing Disney characters and live vocal. New this year is that the last show of the day also features projections and even fireworks to light up your night. Last year already a favorite, but even bigger and better this year. Minnie surprises Mickey, but even you will be surprised after seeing this heartwarming offering. The viewing area of this show is huge, so don't be afraid that the show will reach capacity because this is never the case. This year, Disneyland Paris has a brand new tree lighting ceremony. At Mickey's magical Christmas lights, Mickey asks Santa and his friends for help to light the gigantic Christmas tree. Even the Disney princesses will show up to help. Unfortunately, there is almost no good viewing area and it's very popular, so good spots are almost impossible to find. We would advise you to skip this show as it is not worth to wait an hour for a good spot. Nevertheless, it sure is a nice small show which will bring you in the holiday spirit. Don't forget that the normal offerings are also presented in the Disneyland Park. You still can enjoy the Stars on Parade. Disneyland Paris signature parade travels through the street of the park every day around 5 or 6 p.m. Also, finish your day with Disney Illuminations. The projection mapping show on the castle with fireworks is just amazing and a perfect end of your day in Disneyland Paris. What is Disney without characters? Only during the Christmas season, meet Donald at Town Square or Santa Stitch at Central Plaza. You could even meet the one and only Santa Claus in the Meet Mickey building at Fantasyland. Meeting times varies week by week, so have a good look at the schedule when your favorite character is out for a picture. New this year is that Olaf is meeting in the Walt Disney Studios for some warm hugs. Keep in mind that this meet and greet uses the Liberty app. You need to download it in the Apple Store or the Google Play app. What do you need to do? Make a reservation for the meet and greet. Without it, you won't be able to meet Olaf. Keep in mind that the capacity is reached in 10 minutes after park opening on normal days and that you need to be in the park to make a reservation because it uses your location. So be really early in the park if you want to meet Olaf. Christmas season is really popular in Disneyland Paris, so keep in mind that it's going to be busy. Saturday is by far the busiest day of the week, and note that in December weekdays can also be crowded. The most busiest time is during the Christmas vacation. So don't forget to use fastpass. It is totally free. Just go to the entrance of the attraction. You know the sign next to the entrance with 2 times. You can scan your entrance ticket at the machine and you will receive a card in return with these 2 times printed. That means you can return to the attraction within these times with almost no wait. We advise you to use it for Big Thunder Mountain or when you have smaller children's Peter Pan's flight. On the fastpass you can note when you get your new fastpass. We explain more how to use the system in a future video. All the shops are full of Christmas merchandise, amazing clothes, chocolate, and of course Christmas ornaments. We advise to have a look at the different stores because they often have a different assortment. Did you know that in the castle there is a permanent Christmas store? So even in the summer you can buy that beautiful Christmas ornament. Snacks, and even more snacks. During the Christmas season, Disneyland Paris has different snack offerings throughout the park. From burgers to little cakes and from specialty drinks to cookies. Unfortunately, a lot of restaurants are closed these days, so there can be very long lines. Bring your own snacks and treats and plan in advance where you want to eat. In the Disneyland app, you can check the opening times of the restaurants. The restaurants, like Vapiano's and Five Guys in Disney Village, just outside the park, are always open, so that's a good alternative. In our opinion, Christmas is one of the best times to visit the resort. All the extra entertainment and atmosphere in the park is something you have to experience by yourself. So the top tips are: watch Mickey's Christmas Big Band. Watch the Disney Christmas Parade. Don't skip Disney Illuminations. Bring your own treats. And don't forget to use the fastpass system. Do you have any other tips about this park or a request which park we should visit next? Leave a comment down below. Also give us thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more theme park tips. See you next time.